This is Subitizing Made Easy with Janae from Tales of Frogs and Cupcakes. In case you're unfamiliar with subitizing, it's the ability to quickly identify the number of items in a small set without counting, basically instantly seeing how much it is. Subitizing will build your students' number sense and give them a strong foundation for their future learning. One way to practice subitizing with your students is to use dot plates, and dot plates are really easy to make and your students will love using them. So, to make these, all you need are paper plates and sticky dots. Instead of paper plates, you could use index cards or cardstock paper, and I actually prefer the colored sticky dots, but Walmart was out. So you're going to place the dots on the plates in different arrangements and use the numbers 1 through 10, or you can go lower if you need to for your students. Whatever ability level your students are at, please do that. You're going to want to have several different arrangements for the same number so they can see that number in different ways and be able to decompose it in different ways. Again, I prefer colored sticky dots, so you may want to purchase those and use those for your arrangements instead. That way it gives the eye a little bit of a break and be able to see some patterns within the number. Start out by showing students one of the plates, preferably a small number, and have them determine the amount on the plate. You may want to give them a signal to use when they're finished determining the number. That way you know when your students are ready to move on. So the signal could be, give me a thumbs up, put a hand on your chest, thumbs up on your chest, something simple like that. After you show them the plate, have the students identify the amount and go over the strategies that they used to determine how much was there. So whichever number you have, you're probably going to have a variety of strategies used in your class. And that's fine. You want to accept all answers and give all the students a chance to respond. This will give you some insight as to what strategies your students are using and what strategies they understand, and what strategies they may need to work on. Use that information to plan your small group instruction later, so you can work on various strategies with the students depending on what they're struggling with or what they've mastered and what they're ready for. So just be sure to accept all answers. Repeat the same procedure using other arrangements from your dot paper plate stack. Practice this procedure for several days or maybe even weeks if your students need it. When your students are ready, quickly flash a stack of plates to your students one at a time. This will give them a chance to refine their known strategies and try out new strategies, and also build a little fluency. For more subitizing activities, check out my newest pack, I Can Subitize, available in my Teacher's Notebook or Teachers Pay Teachers store. Thanks for coming by. I'll see you online.